60 meters, exactly as modeled.
Record the descent rate now. Excellent results.
تبریک میگویم مهندس. عملکرد عالی بود. متشکرم امیر. ضربه دقیق بود.
The vessel is sinking rapidly by the stern, and the mine breach is clearly visible at 5 meters.
This is where Iran's naval strength is forged.
We invite you to see the process for yourself.
We need a full audit of this sector by 0800. Ensure the documentation matches the physical count.
Sir.
عالیه. کینیت بالا به نظر میرسه.
واقعاً. آماده برای استقرار.
آیا همه چیز طبق برنامه است؟
بله قربان. موجودی کامل است. فقط این 2 مورد آخر.
An extreme close-up through a heat-resistant observation port on the side of the electric arc furnace reveals the interior.
Maintain the flow rate. Check the indicator. We're almost there. Prepare to close the tap.
We're down to 300. Start the shakeout prep.
Copy that. Moving to the table now.
Parameters remain stable. Vibration is negligible.
The sensitizer is fully incorporated. We are clear for the next step.
Steady now. Align the magnet slightly left for orientation verification.
Confirmed.
Verified connection 1, 2, 3. Sequence complete.
Voltage stable, 3.3. Resistance adjusted to 10K. Continuity confirmed. Logging data.
Threshold 150 nvs8. Response time 1.2 milliseconds. Signal to noise 25 diesel. Confirmed.
Star pattern sequence initiated. Bolt 1 engaged.
Roger that.
Moving to bolt 6.
Torque set.
This one is ready for cradle 12.
Confirmed. Let's set it down gently.
Cargo secured on Vessel 4. Ready for deployment.
Confirmed. All teams, stand by for departure.
Nav systems green.
Comm secure. Acknowledged.
Crane pressurized.
Engines ready.
Coming down. Hold it steady. Watch the gunwale. Perfect.
Waypoint synchronization confirmed. How copy?
Solid copy. Proceed.
Raptor team, checks complete. We are green.
Cast off. Proceed with deployment.
Waypoint approaching, 500 meters.
Crane engaged. Strap released. Confirmed green on the GPS.
Confirmed. Proceed. Proceed with release. 10 meters. 20 meters. 30 meters. 40 meters. 50 meters.
Deployment log, sir. Coordinates confirmed at 6 decimal places.
The mine has reached its preset depth. The magnetic sensor, positioned closest to the surface, is active.
Mine deployed. Log the coordinates.
Logging position 6. Confirmed.
Flotilla, this is Manta 1. Final payload deployed. Mission complete.
Copy that, Manta 1. Return to base.
Approaching the marker now. Keep her steady.
Fenders out. Welcome back, gentlemen.
The barrier is established, Commander. Well done.
Helm, steer 290. Maintain course and speed through the channel.
Roger that, Captain. 290, aye.
Navigation update, we are proceeding through the strait. All parameters nominal.
All damage control teams, report to the forward breach now.
Watch out! The chains are sliding!
Rapido, we have to secure the cargo.
Mayday! Mayday!
Keep those hoses on the manifold!
It's spreading too fast! We have to go!
All units, maintain 5-kilometer exclusion zone. The fire is escalating. Sector Charlie, we have multiple casualties inbound. Sector Gamma, we need more booms at the high tide line.
ماذا سنفعل الآن؟ لقد تدمرت أرزاقنا.
All right, that's 5. Send the next one. Easy on the ladder.
We got you. Come aboard. Everyone accounted for on your watch, mister.
Still checking, Bosun. The list is wet.
Just a little pinch now. You are safe.
Behind me are just a few of the stranded vessels impacted by the closure. This disruption is costing the global economy billions.
The spot rate just jumped to 7%. Bind the policy now before it climbs again.
Yes, notify the captains immediately.
Control, this is observation post. We have a strong return signature at section 4, directing vessel 3 for verification.
Global markets are reeling. The cumulative economic impact is now estimated in the billions.
We are seeing unprecedented spikes.
This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.